Welcome to Bumble Berry Parents, a space where everyday moments become powerful learning opportunities. Today, we'll explore science-backed ways to support your baby's growth from the very beginning. These small, simple daily habits create big changes over time. Let's begin. A baby's brain grows faster in the first 3 years than at any other time in life. Every touch, smile, and interaction helps build new brain connections. That's why your presence matters more than anything else.
Good morning, sweetie.
Talking to your baby
you hungry
throughout the
for some
day
yummy
boosts language
breakfast?
and early thinking skills. This back-and-forth communication is called serve and return, and it builds the
Look at
foundations
this
for
red
communication.
ball. It's
You don't need
round
anything
and
special.
smooth.
Just describe what you're doing as you go. Babies learn the most from watching your face, your expressions, your emotions, your mouth movements. These face-to-face moments strengthen social and emotional development. Even 10 minutes a day can make a meaningful difference. Reading is one of the most powerful early learning habits you can introduce. Simple picture books help babies build vocabulary long before they speak, and repetition helps their brains store and recognize patterns. Babies learn through movement, crawling, reaching, and exploring their surroundings. These moments help build confidence and early problem-solving skills. Offer safe objects with different textures to support sensory development. Music activates multiple areas of your baby's brain at once. Simple rhythms and sounds strengthen memory and attention. And you don't need to sing perfectly. Your voice is the one they love most. A baby learns best when they feel safe and connected. When you respond to their cries, you teach them trust and security. A calm and confident baby is naturally more curious and eager to learn. Babies learn from human faces, not from fast-moving screens. Keep screen time minimal and focus on real-world play and interaction. To support early learning, talk more, read daily, explore, use music, and build emotional safety. Small daily habits create long-lasting developmental benefits. For more science-backed parenting guidance, subscribe to Bumble Berry Parents. Your baby's learning journey begins with you.